In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete multiple pages in DocHub. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up a document which has multiple pages. You want to go to the top left, click on Page Controls, and from here, you want to first click on the first page, and then you have two options. Now, of course, you could go ahead and hold down your Control key and select the pages you want to delete. So, let's say I want to delete page 1, hold down the Control key, page 3, and then let's do page 5 and page 7 as well. As you can see, I've selected every second page here, and then I can click on this button bottom left, which is delete pages button. It's going to say you sure you want to delete 4 of them. I'm going to click on yes, delete it. However, this isn't the only way. You could also delete a sequence of pages, for example 1 to 7, very easily. So I can click on the first one, hold down the shift key this time, not the control key but the shift key, and click on, for example, the 7th page. All of them are going to get selected, or for example, let's just do like 2 to 6. There we go, using the shift key. Click on delete. It's going to say you sure you want to delete 5 pages. Yes, delete it. And there we go, I've successfully done it. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.